Guys, and welcome to Card Making with Crystal. Today I'm going to show you how to make a really cool explosion card. So the card looks like this. It's super cute, but when you open it, amazing. Yeah. If you're new here, be sure to subscribe. I share fun and easy to follow card making and crafting tutorials. Let's make it. Hi guys, this is everything you need for your card. This is your actual card base. These are for your explosion sides, and this is for the inside layer and your actual cake. I'm going to do this card in steps. We're going to design the card itself, then we're going to decorate the inside, then we're going to decorate the outside. So let's get started. First thing I'm going to do is do some folding on the explosion section, and then we're going to score. These two pieces are 10 inches by 6 inches, and I'm going to fold them now to show you how to get that fold. My piece of paper is one-sided, so I'm folding towards the fancy side, like so. Then you're looking at your paper and you're taking the part that is folded and folding it like this. So make sure the part that you're folding it towards is open. Now once you have it folded like this, you're going to open it, push this like so, and put this fold on the inside of your paper like so. Right? I'm going to do the same thing to the other side. So let me show you that again. You're opening it, turning this score line up, so you're having both of them like this. And now we can do some scoring. Take your base sheet of paper that is 10 inches by 6 inches, score it 5. Take your inside layer that is 3 7/8 by 10, score it 5. And you're going to grab these pieces of paper. So I'm going to put this short side down and this long pointy side reaching up to the 6. And I'm going to start scoring. You're scoring this piece at 2, 3, 4, and 5. And you're scoring this piece the same way. And the score will go through all 4 layers of paper. I'm now going to score all my cake layers, and this cake, now I was going to do a cutout on this piece of paper, but Sam Calcutt had a really good idea of making it where there isn't a cutout, so I'm using her design. I'm scoring my 3x3 cake layer at 1/4, 1 1/2, 2 3/4. Then I'm scoring my 2 3/4 by 2 1/2 layer on the 2 3/4 side at 1/4, 1 1/4, and 2 1/2. And then I'm scoring my 2 1/2 by 2 layer on the 2 1/2 side at 1/4, 1 1/2, and 2 1/4. Fold and burnish in all your score lines. For this one, we're gonna fold it and burnish, but you're not just folding and burnish in one direction, you're also going to do it in the next direction, so in both directions. Okay, so all of our pieces are folded and burnished. I'm going to put these aside and we're going to fold this in the special way to make it explode. Before I do that, I like to round the corners of the ends because I just think it looks nicer when it's rounded. So I'm just going to round these corners. So now you're taking each one of these pieces of paper and here's how you're folding it. You see how this one goes up? This one has to go down on the fold. So like this. And you're going to make sure this one goes like this and you're going to push it in. See? And this one will naturally come back up. Then you're going to push this one so that it comes up. And then you're going to push this one down. So that's 1, 2, and close it. Let me show you how to do it again. So this fold is coming up. We're going to make this one go down. When you're pushing it down, you're going to push in the back, right? That will naturally make this one come up like this. So you're going to put this one down. And then this one will push it back like this. And then you're going to bring it together, and then bring these together. And give it a good burnish. So here's the side. Let me show you with this one. And now you have your two beautiful explosion pieces. Now this is a really funny step, but if you try to get this into this card directly like so, there's going to be a little piece that you see here. Now I am going to snip that off my card because I wanted this card to be this size. So I'm going to open and I'm just going to cut a sliver off my card like this on each side. Now when I put it in my card, it's going to fit perfect. You see how you're not seeing it anymore? Right, I'm going to do the same thing to the other side. Now I'm going to install these right here in my card, just like so. So you'll put glue all over the ends here. Hold it directly up to the top and make sure it's touching the end. And make sure your card can close and you wouldn't see it. And that's it. Let's put in the other side. This is perfect. Now I'm just going to literally put glue on these two pieces and stick it down. And now look at this. Now let's take our inner layer and mark it up. We're going to also take a sliver off this inner layer because you see what's happening here. Now it's perfect. So let's design our cake and the inner layer before we stick it down. So you're taking the largest one, put in glue on these parts only. That's your 1/4 inch fold over. We're lining it up with our score line, centering it, and sticking it down. So it looks like this. Okay, so we have the second one now. So I'm going to use my ruler and I'm going to measure 1/4 inch. I'm going to put the line just above it. And that's where we're lining this one up at, that 1/4 inch marker. So it has a 1/4 inch around here, here, and here. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm going to center it on my markers here. And I'm just eyeballing it. You can definitely measure a little better if you want to. And I'm going to stick it down, but I'm going to make sure it's coming up how I want it to come up and sticking straight how I want to stick straight, and then sticking down like this. So therefore when I open it, it should open like so. That's perfect, you see? And now if I open it, it should open perfectly like this. And I'm gonna just burnish those ends there. And let's go up again, and we're going to do the same thing this time. And this I'm going to recommend how Sam did it, which is putting the glue in the bottom first, lining it up at your 1/4 inch marker, sticking it down, and then I'm going to close it like this, bring this up, and then I'm going to stick this down like this. Right, so I'm going to hold it down and stick it down like this. And now I have an amazing 3-tiered cake. See, that looks so cute. And now we're going to install this in here like so. I'm going to install at the bottom first, making sure I am centered in between the two lines here. It's perfect. Now I'm gonna put glue all over here and stick this to my top here, making sure I'm getting inside that cake and everything is lining up perfectly. And now when I close, my hole is closed down perfectly. See that? So let's decorate this cake, right? I have layers for my cake, and I have a happy birthday for the bottom, and also a little cake topper, which is the cutest little cake topper saying hooray. So I'm gonna layer all of these on here like this. I also have a really cool banner, and I pulled some of the colors out of this design to layer the banner. So I have this one and this. I'm going to layer them on the banner now. I got the banner layered. It looks absolutely beautiful. And now I'm going to decorate this card. Now let's decorate the outside of our card. Okay guys, so I'm driving in to deliver this card. Just letting you know that I'm here. Excited! Card is here. So I'll show you her reaction. Oh my god, it's so sunny today. I'm going to deliver. I'm here. Let's go in the cool. My gosh, it's so sunny here. How are you, Mama?
Happy New Year, happy birthday, everything.
You telling me happy birthday? Happy early birthday. So this is my friend. You're gonna be on YouTube, of course. Come, let's go here. There's my friend Kimberly. So today is her birthday. Yay! And this is your card from Crystal. And of course, you're gonna get your reaction. So I'm gonna turn the camera.
I'm so excited.
I'll take the bag.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Crystal.
Happy birthday, Mama.
This is so beautiful. See, tears coming out my eyes.
Don't cry. Are you crying? Okay, I'll turn the camera. Thanks so much for joining me while we made this super cute explosion card. So how I'm coming up with birthday cards is this is the month of my birth. I was born on the 22nd of February, and I sent a post out on Facebook to all my friends saying, hey guys, I'm gonna make a card for you if you're born in February. So a whole bunch of people commented. It was so cute. I had to delete the post though because I'm not going to be making cards all February. And I selected the persons that commented. I selected all of them and I am making them cards for their birthdays. So I am giving back to others for my birthday. That's my gift to myself for my birthday. Lots of creating, which I'm very excited about. Anyway, if you like this video, be sure to give it an actual thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel so you won't miss any content, and stay crafty, my friends. Bye guys!